Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today we're going to see how to make a lovely recipe which can be had in the form of a soup or could be had along with rice or bread, anything of your choice, and it's called the Shorbe Wala Murg. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. The oil is hot. I have 15 cloves of garlic over here, which I'm going to saute till they are nice and golden in color. The garlic is fried to a beautiful golden color. Here I have 1 finely chopped onion which I'm going to add and saute this till it is slightly golden in color. The onions have also got slightly caramelized. I'm going to add an inch of ginger that I've finely chopped and fried for a few seconds. To this, we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and just mix this well. Here I have a kilo of chicken which I'm just going to add to this. And we're going to saute the chicken in this on a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to reduce the flame to a low and slowly add 1 cup of whisked yogurt. And saute this till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated. 5 green chilies that I have finely chopped. This is going to give a lovely zing to the shorba. I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix this well. Time to add 2 liters of water to this. Some salt to taste. Give this a final stir. Cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame for almost 45 minutes till the chicken is done. The shorba was simmering for almost 45 minutes on a low flame and the chicken is done as well. Let's sprinkle a teaspoon of garam masala powder, some lemon juice, some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and the shorba is ready to be served. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. And our Shorbe Wala Murg is ready to be served. As I said, it's a shorba, so you can just sip it like a soup or have rice or roti with this. Do try this recipe and let me know. Keep watching Get Curried.